Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a battery charging test of the Huawei Y9s. This phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery size, and the internal we have on this phone is having a high silicon Kirin 710F processor with a 6GB RAM, 4000 mAh battery size. It is a very massive battery size for the 6.59-inch Full HD IPS LCD display. And the display aspect ratio on this phone is really amazing. No notch, no hole on the front. In this video I'm gonna show you how much time is required to fully charge this phone from 0% to 100%. Right now the battery percentage on the Y9s is 0%, no juice on this phone. And you can see on the back we have a beautiful design language on this phone. This phone comes with a breathing crystal color, and it is the same color that we see on the Huawei P30 Pro, which I really like. And let's quickly show you the charger that comes with right out the box with this phone. And you can see here is the charger, and the pair rating we have on this charger is a 5V with 2A charger. It is a 10W charger. This phone does not support fast charging, and the cable we have is the USB-C cable, which is a really good feature on the Y9s. Guys, I have to say that I don't use any other charger in this video. It is the same charger that comes with right out the box. And without any further ado, let's quickly start the test. And power source is off, and I connect the charger to the switchboard. And let's connect the USB-C cable with the phone. And let's calculate our time on my Samsung Galaxy C7 Pro. And let's open my clock and go to the stopwatch area, and you can see, and the timer phone is here. And now I turn on the power source and start the stopwatch at the same time. And the power source is on, and let's start the stopwatch as well. And you can see, and the phone is showing me that the charging is start, and the battery percentage on the Y9s again is 0%. And let's see how much time is needed to fully charge this phone from 0% to 100%. Let's see how much battery is charged in the 30 minutes. So now I will be back after half hour, exact 30 minutes. That this phone is also does not give you any notification LED on the front, which is a very bad feature. I will be back after half hour. Okay guys, I am back after half hour, exact 30 minutes. Let's see the battery percentage on the Huawei Y9s. The battery percentage on the Y9s is at 40%. It means that this phone is charged about 40% in half hour. It is not the fastest charging speed, but it is very good speed. So now I will be back after 1 hour, exact 60 minutes. And let's see how much this phone is charged from 41% to whatever percent in next half hour. So let's see how much this phone is charged in next 30 minutes. So see you guys after 1 hour. Okay guys, I am back after 1 hour, exact 60 minutes. So let's see the battery percentage on the Y9s. And the battery percentage on the Y9s is at 68%, and you can see this phone is charged 68% in 1 hour, and it is a very good battery charging speed in my opinion. So now I will be back after 1 hour exact. Now phone is on, everything is off in this phone like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. See you guys after 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay guys, I am back after 1 hour and 30 minutes. So let's see the battery percentage on the Huawei Y9s. And the battery percentage on the Y9s is at 94%, and you can see this phone is almost charged. 94% battery is charged in 1 hour and 30 minutes. So see you guys after when phone is fully charged up to 100%. And again I have to say that the battery charging speed is really good on this phone. Let's see how much this phone take time from 94% to 100%. Okay guys, I am back and phone is fully charged up to 100%, and you can see 100% in 1 hour and 39 minutes. This phone is take about 9 minutes from 94% to 100%, which is a very good feature in this phone. Battery charging speed is depend on your environment temperature. If you charge this phone in very low temperature, the battery charging speed is fast. But if you charging this phone in high temperature, about 40-41 degrees Celsius, the battery charging speed is slow than before. And I definitely recommend to you guys to charge this phone in the average temperature. And guys, I charging this phone in 80 degrees Celsius temperature, and this phone is fully charged in 1 hour and 39 minutes. But if you charge this phone in a high temperature, the battery charging speed is different than this. And thank you so much for watching this battery charging test of the Huawei Y9s. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And let me know what kind of videos you want to see regarding the Huawei Y9s. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.